In the past 2 days, I've literally seen like 4 or 5 videos about John Schaefer's TikTok, pretty much talking about how the correct way to do a calorie deficit. You're supposed to be eating for your future self and not your current self. I have been stuck at my current weight for literally what feels like a damn year. I'm consistent in the gym, may not be that consistent with food, but I still don't feel like I'm overeating or doing anything crazy. And this is all after already losing 45 pounds. So I've plateaued, just kind of hit that mark. Haven't been able to get below it. I think I'm going to try his little calculations that he listed. It was your goal weight times 12. That's what you should be eating calorie-wise. And then protein was, you multiply your goal weight by 0.6 to get how much protein you should be eating within that calorie deficit or whatever you call it. So I'm going to start tracking my food today and then go for at least a month and see if there's any change. At this point, I'll take 5 pounds. I mean,